e-bike reviews and adventures. I am getting ready to go for a ride this morning. Going to be taking out the new Mach Wheel Obsidian, do some a little bit of trail riding with a group of friends. Been looking forward to this, and coincidentally that showed up yesterday, so it showed up just in time for this ride today, so I'm going to be taking that. Hey, you know, I haven't ridden this more than a mile. All I've done is just ridden it back and forth in front of the house. So I haven't broken it in yet. I haven't really done much with it yet. So yeah, don't know. Hope everything works right before getting out there on a longer ride. But yeah, I mean, I just can't possibly leave this thing sitting in the garage. So that's the unboxing video just posted a few minutes ago, in fact. As I edited that last night. So the unboxing video is out there. Check it out. First impressions is a lot of things to like about this bike. Excited about it. Let's see here. What else is going on? Oh, yesterday. Wow, yesterday was a busy day. So not only did I get that in and unboxed it, Mrs. Adventure took the moon pool out for the first time. Had a great experience with that. We ended up going for a longer ride. We went down to the local river boat launch that I've ridden to many times. She had a great experience with that bike and just absolutely loves it. We came home and the first thing she did was she started taking stuff off of the Electric XP and transferring it over there. So now she's got her water bottle over there, her bag, or the cell phone holder that she likes. She transferred the seat over because she likes the electric seat better than the Mooncool seat. But Mrs. Adventure has officially claimed the Mooncool as hers. And I'll tell you, we're probably going to do a separate video just with her impressions and her thoughts about it. But during the ride yesterday, she just kept referring to saying, it is just so much more stable than this one. And that's exactly what I said in my video when I first took it out. My first impressions was, wow, this thing is just, it feels different. It just feels tight. It didn't lean. It didn't feel like it was leaning much. I could make my turns, and it didn't feel like I was having to counterbalance, very much. And that's exactly the kind of things that she said. And she doesn't watch my videos, so she doesn't really know what I was thinking or saying or anything. But those are the kind of comments that she made yesterday. In fact, we got home yesterday. I got busy, did other things, went out with my daughter Amanda, did some shopping, came home last night, and Mrs. Adventure is sitting there saying, you know what? I want to go ride my trike again. So we went out again, guys. Mrs. Adventure went out twice yesterday on her trike. Last night it was a shorter ride. We just stayed in a neighborhood and looked at Christmas lights again, but she just absolutely loves that trike. And so I think she's at the point where she's hooked because she found one that she really, really likes, that's really stable, that's comfortable, and she's excited now to get out more so than when she was riding this one right here. Look at this real quick. This is one of her latest projects. Yeah, isn't that cute? Look at that. Just covered in snow. That's what she did last night. She was spraying it with snow. Look, she's even got some dirty snow in here from tracks and stuff. She loves doing crafty kind of stuff like this, and so she's always working on small projects and big projects, and yeah, I love her to death. All right, let's see. I got to get ready. I got to leave in about an hour. I need to get the bike rack on. I really wanted to take the Hollywood racks, bike rack, but I didn't get a chance to unbox it yesterday. It just didn't happen. Yesterday was too busy, too much going on. So I'm not going to take that one. I'm going to take the quicker rack, and that's just going to be a better option for me today. This doesn't have a rear rack, so I can't take my saddlebag with all my stuff, but I'm riding with other people, so I know they have stuff. I know they have tools, and if I need anything, they've got that sort of thing. But I do need to take some things with me. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to bust out and find, yeah, right over there. I think I'm just going to bust out maybe this guy, so I can put a few, some water and snackaroos. We're going to be kind of like out in the tundra. We're going to be out there. So take a few things with me, and I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my Tri-Lancer wraps and wrap that around underneath here or something. And hopefully it doesn't bounce and jiggle loose. And if so, well, there's plenty of folks I'm riding with that have baskets and other things, so I can probably throw it in with them. But yeah, I don't even know what's in this one. Oh yeah, all right, so I had a few tools in this one. Maybe I'll leave those tools in there. I don't know, it might make it too heavy. I need some water. I can't take my big water bottle, so I'm just gonna take a small one today. So I can slip it in there. If I can get down in here. Kirkland, yeah. Kirkland water from Costco. So I'll at least have a little water. It's not like it's blazing hot or anything, so I'm not going to be drinking a lot of water. I can live without it. I need to find a snack to go in there. What else do I need? I need my gloves. I had my gloves last night, so put some gloves in there. I've already got a jacket pulled out and a beanie hat because it is cold outside, baby. It's like 40 degrees. So that's cold for Florida. 40 degrees out there. It is supposed to warm up to about 60 later on, so I'll be able to peel that off, of course. Hopefully I can squeeze it in here or something. Helmet. What am I missing? What am I missing? What do I need? Wallet. I got all that stuff with me. Helmet. Camera gear. Jacket and hat. Gloves. Just minimal tools. Water. I still need to grab a granola bar or something, stick in my bag. Let's see, what else? Maybe I should just look at my saddlebags and see. I'm not going to take a bike lock or anything because that would be too heavy. Anyway, for how I'm going to connect this up. Oh, I need to get some, I know what I need. I shouldn't need sunscreen or bug repellent. It's too cold for the bugs, so don't have to worry about that. Hopefully somebody else has a first aid kit, so I'm not going to take that. Just don't have room to squeeze it on that bike. There's a couple extra straps. Grab those. Zip ties. Other tools and stuff I can live without. Yeah. All right. It's going to be going into the back country today. Kind of minimalist. Hey, here you go. You guys can help me out here just a little bit. So in my unboxing video, I made comment that Mach Wheel does not sell a rear rack. Even though the frame is designed for it, because they've got these inserts, threaded inserts right here. It's designed for a rack, they just don't offer one. So I need to find one. Because I'm telling you already, I love this bike. And so I want to be able to ride this a lot more. But I typically don't ride mountain bikes that much, just because they don't have a rack. I can't take anything with me. And so I only ride them when I'm just going to do some videos or maybe some trail riding when I'm with someone else. But I really want to go ahead and put a rack on this because I mostly ride on the road and I don't ride on trails very often. So I would rather have the rack. I'll probably go ahead and put the fenders on later too. But I need to find a rack. So I suspect this frame, I suspect another manufacturer has this frame. Why else would it have inserts? But then they don't offer racks. So somebody else probably has this frame. If you're familiar with this style, let me know what you think it might be, and I'll go look at other manufacturer websites that has something, hopefully the same, and maybe they sell racks. Because I want one that screws into these inserts because it's going to be more secure. I know I can get the aftermarket racks that attach to your seat post. They don't haul any weight. They're kind of dumb in my opinion. You've got racks that will just clamp onto these stays back here. So that's an option, but it's designed for one that bolts on, and I'd really like to get one of those. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm ready to, I still need to grab my snack, my Scooby snack. I think I need to go ahead and pull out the quicker rack and get that connected. I'll do that off camera. And then get this thing loaded up. Next time you see me, we'll be out on trail. In fact, this will probably be a separate video, just kind of rambling this morning, getting ready. And I'll post the actual riding video as a separate video. So be looking for that. And I'll post them at the same time. Not the same time. I'll post this video, and then probably 30 minutes later, you'll see the riding video pop up. So be looking for both of them and enjoy those. Hey, look, real quick update. So we got the panel installed. I don't have the covers on them because there's a problem. Yeah, and the electrician doesn't know what's wrong, and so I've contacted EcoFlow and they're researching. I had to send them videos and pictures, but basically 4 circuits work and those top circuits don't, and they're not getting any power even though everything was hooked up. And so we think there's something underneath back there that's broke, and we don't know what's going on. But yeah, anyway, those kind of things happen from time to time. All right, what else do I need to do? This adventure, we talked about that. We talked about this a little bit. I'm getting ready with that over there. Anything important that I want to share with you? I got this in yesterday. Didn't even do a short video or anything because it happened to be while Mrs. Adventure and I were actually headed out for our ride, and we came back to receive it. That's real cool. That's going to be coming in a few days. Well, that might wait a little while because I wasn't planning on doing any more bike reviews for the month of December or unboxings or anything. But I did that one just because it came in time for today's ride, and so I wanted to bust it out for that. So that might be a little bit before you see it. I don't know. Depends on timing, how busy I am. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video here because I need to bust out that rack and get that loaded up, start getting the Obsidian loaded up, go grab a Scooby snack from in the house somewhere, and be ready to go here in 45 minutes. So I will see you guys. Ride safe. Merry Christmas to all of you. And I will see you guys in another video probably tomorrow. Be looking for it.